In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your 12-volt power outlet on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. If you have the little cover, go ahead and pop it off. Mine's already broken, and if you have a tool that looks like this, it's going to be easiest because this is specially made to take these 12-volt power plugs out. And what you're going to want to do is, I'll show you on the new one because it's easier to see. You'll see these two holes right here. This tool will hook into both of these and then pull it straight out. So you're going to want to find those on the existing plug. I see one right down there. You want to put it in and then kind of twist it until it locks in like that. This will allow you to pull this out. If you just pull firmly, it should pop it out. And then you can either continue the job with a trim tool or just pull it out by hand like that. At this point, the connector will be exposed on the back here. Unplug it, but make sure you don't let it go because it'll go back into the dash there. So then you'll have to pop the whole dash out. Press on the tab, unplug the power outlet, take your new one, line up the connector, make sure it clicks, and then you're going to want to line it up with the exact same way it came out because it has some raised areas that basically slide into some grooves. Press it in all the way. And of course, if you had your cap, you would, well, cap it off. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.